Women are paid less than men. In this country, about 70%. Women make 70% of what men make for the same jobs. And across the world, it's worse, way worse in some places. How can we change that? Well, let's consider your family business. Odds are that someone in your family, maybe your wife, gets paid zero. What if we started with what we can control, what's in our own hula hoop here, and we used our individual business to change that national worldwide statistic? What if we tried to level the playing field by doing what we can do? My encouragement is to move towards transparency, open book management. So what that means is that you get the financials current, accurate, and that you understand them and share the financial information with your team. Does that make you want to poop your pants? Is that scary? Does that go against everything your daddy or your mama taught you about it's nobody's business to see what's going on in my checkbook? It can be scary, but after decades in business, what I've learned is one of the most powerful, positive things you can do is to get the financials right and share the score with your team. Let them know what's happening, and then set financial goals so that they can help move you in that direction. The biggest expense in any business is what you pay the people. And consider what it would take to make what you pay fair. Fair enough that you could share it with folks. This is not a revolutionary idea. Open book management has been with us and called that for about 50 years. But very few people engage in it because it brings up so much fear. And that uncomfortable conversation that you may be paying men more than women, and you don't really have a good reason why. And you might not be paying your wife or your husband or your kids, and it might be time to address that. So let me know what you think. Are you ready to make the move towards open book management? Let's see what you got. And if you're scared, let me know that too.